Morning mga ka-faith, may time ba na feeling mo mag-isa ka sa laban ng buhay? Good news! Sabi sa Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, "The Lord your God goes with you, He will never leave you nor forsake you." Kaya tandaan, you are not alone. Let's break it down with word not. Una, never forsakes you. Kahit iwan ka ng tao, si Lord hindi ka iiwan. At dahil alam mo na di ka niya iiwan ni pababayaan man, may confidence ka to stand strong. And then, overcomes with you. Hindi mo kailangang lumaban mag-isa, kasama mo siya sa battle. Kaya kahit mahirap, victorious ka kasi kasama mo siya. And then lastly, truly with you. Hindi minsan-minsan lang, kundi palagi. Siya ang Emmanuel, God with us. Kaya saan ka man pumunta, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kaya tandaan, you are not alone. God is with you. This is Pastor Francis. Like, follow, and share para mas marami pang ma-encourage. God bless. Shalom.